Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P20 Pro, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. It's so easy, just go to the settings, here find the sounds and vibration, scroll down now, and you'll see here the notification sound, that's bongo at the moment, and here you can select one of these sounds. For example, if you got music on your device, just tap on here and you can select this music. Also, you can select one of these sounds. For example, I'll go in with this one, for example. And now if you will go back, you can see that the notification sound has changed successfully. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.